I don't know. I would have to ride this a lot more than just
If
this.
you had to answer right now, would you trade him for your bike? gsxr 750 for the CBR 600.
Put me on the spot.
No riding it, just right now. It's take it or leave it.
Yeah, I would. Yep.
All right.
Yep.
I was just curious. Because as I said, I haven't spent extensive. You got a little more time on it than I do.
It's just you probably know right away, like the way my bike falls over and leans, and just handling of it is totally different. This feels like there's not much air in the tire. You know that feeling of like you got to fight it over.
I guess that makes me feel like it's more the seating position than it is.
It could be
the bike.
Yeah, it could be. I never thought of it like that.
But he said the 750 still a little extra.
Stop here and wait on them.
Yeah, that works. A little extra 150 cc's never hurt nobody.
Yeah, I mean, I feel it's just like the all-around like bang for the buck, and it got the punch to it. I don't know. Yeah, I would definitely trade. But there's just still little things about this bike. It's just, I don't know. It's almost like an R6 too. They don't lean over the way my bike does. I don't know. But power-wise, all day. Oh yeah.
What you do? You fuck around, park over there.
You park. Oh.
You rotten bastard. I figure when he pulled up, we could just go. I don't know why motherfuckers get a new tire and want to burn it out.
I didn't do one burn on my tire.
I'm talking about him. I've been seeing him. He's been
tempted. Yeah, I probably would do the same thing. I get a 750 and I upgraded from a R3. Oh yeah, I'm definitely burning.
Yeah, I guess.
For sure. But yeah, this I don't know what it is though. There's just something that maybe, like you said, it is the seating position or something. I don't know. But you gotta like fight it.
On your bike is how you feel. Is what you mean?
On this.
You gotta fight it.
You gotta fight it more. Maybe it could be the front tire too. I don't know, man. But
I don't know what he runs his tire pressure at. I didn't ask him.
Every gsxr that I've ridden before.
Hell, it's good to see you.
Damn. They just swarmed everybody.
I had to turn my shit back on because motherfuckers is deep.
6 feet, man. 6 feet. Social distancing, 6 feet.
Stupid.
6 feet. Bro. What's up?
He's back.
Huh?
Wow.
No, that's his. That's my man's bike.
What? Yeah. Was it good? Just chillin', bro. Yeah, it's about time. So what the fuck are we doing?
This is you recording. What's up? I'm slipping. I can't hear you. This is you recording. Yeah.
Hey.
Got it last year.
Oh, him?
Fucking. Oh, that's dope. What year is this?
2018.
Oh, that's sick. How do you like it?
I love it.
No issues with it yet? That's sweet.
Not at all.
Yeah, that's real
All the way
sweet.
to 150. So far.
No, good
That's
doctor. Well, I finally got